Welcome back to the new module. This is the seventh module in which we will talk about how to optimize our campaigns, how we can optimize our campaigns to get more ROI, to get more results, more conversion, more sale, more leads, and more traffic as well. So there are a few basic things that I am going to tell you. First one is that daily you need to you can optimize your campaign as per the daily level. Like you can check your campaign, you can check your search results, you can check your keywords, you can add negative keywords in 24 hours daily, in the morning or in the evening after running your ads, or in the before running your ads. You can daily optimize your ads as well. And you can also set up automatic tools as well, automatic rules as well, that you can select. I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So I'm going to select that campaign, and here we go. Click on more, create an automated rule. Now there you can create, enable pause campaign, change end group, or send email. I'm going to send email. Like I'm going to create an automated email when my campaign budget is out of reach, or when my conversions are being converted. So here we go. Click on all, enable campaigns, condition. Yeah, click on the conditions. Like I'm going to collect cost. When my cost is greater than 400 or 490, it will send me an email. Like it will send me email to up to 445, same day 445 or 4, as per according to your send in email budget greater than 500, 499. That's how that rule will work. You can set that automatic rule to like pause the ad groups, or change the ad groups, change the bidding. Like I'm going to share you how. If clicks are being greater than 10 or greater than 100, apply that rule and add one condition as well. Like conversions are not getting less than 1. That means you are getting 100 clicks but not getting conversions. Then my ad groups will be paused. Pause ad group. Here you can do these automated rules by creating own automated rules as well. So there how you can create daily alerts and daily optimization. Now after daily optimization, you can create weekly optimization as well. Weekly optimization, how it works? It is the most powerful action that you can convert or move the right track to, because weekly routine cannot be keep consistency. Like if my advertiser is paying $1,000 in 1 week, then you can optimize for each week, each weekend. You can optimize for that. I'm going, like, it totally depend upon your budget as well. Like if your budget is 500 per day, you can optimize for daily. If your campaign budget is for 100, then you can go for weekly optimization, as there must be specific data about the product, that there must be specific data about that campaign. So after that only you can optimize for weekly as well, and you can optimize for monthly as well. You can optimize monthly about your search term, about your negative keywords. You can set up negative keywords, and you can set up different ad groups or different ad extension. You can set up different bidding strategies by monthly level as well. You can check the filter level as well, and you can also go with the attribution model. Like you can go with the different conversion model as well after optimizing your campaign within a month. Now I'm going to share you few tips how you can optimize your campaign. Like this is the one campaign that we have created in first module, search ad. Now I'm going to show you how you can add negative keywords. I want to see how search terms, which are the search terms that jobs I'm not going to provide, so put that negative keyword into jobs. So how it goes, and like it is getting 0.47 CTR. It means that these are the ads are being displayed. These are the keywords for that particular ad keywords. My ads are being displayed, and I'm getting 5 rupees CPC for these keywords. Like this campaign was set up recently, and that's why that is not getting some data. So you can go to search terms as well. You can put unrelevant search terms to your negative keywords as well. You can check the devices as well, like which devices are not getting good conversions, and you can check the demographic level as well, like if you're which type of audience is being converted, which type of audience is clicking on your ad. You can optimize that as well. And here landing page, here it shows like how mobile friendly click rate and how VMP level click rate, how mobile speed score. So it show all the landing pages of your campaign as well. And you can also optimize campaign by location level as well, like I'm going to share you how. Click on ad, you can optimize for different cities, you can optimize for that level as well, and you can filter that for these types of like if which one is getting clicks about one less but not getting conversions within 7 days, then you need to post that you need to stop displaying ads to that particular location. Or if any keyword is getting clicks above 100 or above 10, then you need to stop that keyword as well. You need to post that keyword as well. And if any keyword is getting greater than 1000 impression but not getting any clicks, then you need to optimize your ads as well. Like your ad is being displayed but not being clicked, like your ad is not relevant to, your ad is not up to that mark by user systems, then you need to change your ad strategy, your ad copy as well. So these are the few basic tips about optimization of your campaign. So let's meet in the next module.